always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night?
Getting into focus. Hello, I am Ashley McPherson of the Mac Mommy. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I don't get it. Please just hit that little subscribe button and you can be notified every time we upload videos. I can give you a second. I'll wait. All right, cool. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome to our channel. We're so happy to have you. So today I am gonna talk about my recent photo shoot, and I just recently got business photos taken for my business, and I got there and my photographers, they complimented me on doing a great job getting ready for the shoot and being you know, photo ready. And I thought the photos came out really, really good. So I just wanted to talk about a couple tips on having business photos taken and some things that you should do before you have the shoot done. So first thing is going to be, if you're professional, if you have business photos taken, don't put selfies up there. Just don't do it. Like, I mean, save the selfies for Instagram, Facebook. You can have them up there. But if you're getting, like, if you want a nice photo taken of yourself, and you're in business, like, just spend the money, get the photos taken. They look so much nicer. It just makes such a huge difference. So that's my first step. Don't do selfies. No selfies, guys. Don't even do it. The next step is going to be research your photographer. Find a photographer that you love, look at their photos, see what they're doing, make sure it aligns up to your style and the kind of photos that you want taken, and make sure that they're going to be flexible with you about using the photos where you want to. So just, you know, figure it out, find out what they do, and like I said, just make sure that their style aligns up with yours and the kind of photos that you want, or maybe send them some photos ahead of time so you can kind of show them the things that you're looking for. So if you are going to get your hair done, I got my hair done 2 days before I got my pictures taken. Do not, I repeat, do not go for a brand new hairstyle right when you're going to get your photos taken. The last thing that you want to do is have your hair cut into a bob when you've had hair down to your butt for 3 years. Stick with your normal hairstyle. If you want to do something crazy, do it when you're not getting these photos taken, because the last thing you want is to have these photos done. That goes for anything really. Like if you're gonna get your eyelashes done or a spray tan or something like that before these photos, just make sure it's something that you've done before, because you want to have these photos, you want to feel good in them, you want to feel like yourself in them. So that goes really for any photo shoot. If you're getting family photos taken, if you're getting any kind of photos taken, don't do anything drastic before these photos. Keep your hair normal. If you've gotten a spray tan before, that's fine, but don't let it be the first time you're getting a spray tan or getting your eyelashes done or something crazy like that. Just be normal during your photo shoot. All right, my next step is going to be if you're changing outfits. So if this would be for like a business photo shoot, not really family. I know sometimes we change outfits, and I have before changed outfits in my family photo shoots. So if you're doing a family photo shoot or you're doing business photos, make sure that if you're bringing multiple outfits to change into, that you are bringing things that are easy to swap out. Like I always wear a tank top underneath, and I always put Spanx on. I mean, don't tell anybody, it's my little secret, but I wear Spanx under there, and I wear them because obviously, like, you know, of the effects of Spanx, but I also wear them because I like just to kind of, if I have to change super quick, like I can just throw this dress on over a skirt, and you know, if you have to make quick outfit changes outside or in a public restroom, it's so much easier when you have that stuff on. So think about your outfit changes and how quickly it's going to be to get into those other outfits. I we'll try and plan them accordingly for what, you know, what's the most difficult one to change out of. Like I waited for my jeans until last. My jeans were the last photo that I took because those were the most difficult things to change out of. So I planned it that way because that way you can get the most outfits in and kind of the most bang for your buck in your photo shoot if you are planning your outfits accordingly to like save the hardest thing to change out of for last, easiest, you know, is first. The day before my photo shoot, I am always going to try and drink plenty of water, eat healthy foods, and get lots of sleep the night before. So you don't want to look super tired in these photos. Like, I mean, I know that they have professional airbrushing, but you still want to look your best because then your professional airbrushing is going to look the best, or Photoshop, whatever they're using. So make sure that you get plenty of sleep the night before, even a couple days leading up to it. Drink lots of water because it's going to help flush out the excess water in your body. It's going to help your skin look glowing. I mean, water is just good for everything you need. Eat healthy the day before you get the photo shoot done. It's just gonna help. Like, I try and eat like lots of greens and that kind of stuff, lean proteins the day before, because it's gonna really help to flush out all of the extra toxins, especially if you're drinking water. Make sure that you are following all of these steps so when you get there, you are ready. Have your hair fresh, have your makeup look good, maybe bring some makeup with you or some hairspray with if you need some extra while you're at the shoot. And this should guarantee you the best photos possible while you are getting your new business photos done, because these may be something that you have sticking around for quite a long time. This was the first one I've done in like 2 years. So you just want to make sure that you are doing everything possible to make it amazing. I hope that these tips were helpful for you, and I hope that you got something out of this so you can have an amazing photo shoot the next time you get your business photos or any kind of photos taken. Thank you so much for watching. Please, like I said, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We love to have you. Bye!